Hey, today I'm going to show you how to change it, cabin air filter on a Mazda 6. This is Mazda 6, and the cabin air filter is the filter that cleans the air that comes through your vents. Once you turn on the air conditioner right here, the air that comes through here, it goes through a filter, and this is the cabin air filter. Make sure you have the right size for your car. So today we're going to use the instruction that comes inside this cabin air filter. So let me go ahead and take it out. And the reason why I'm using this instruction, so that I want to show you that you can actually do it. You don't need a mechanic for this. It's how to do it yourself. So we go here, we have instruction from number 1 all the way to 10. So instruction number 1 is say open the glove box. So this is the glove box right here. It's on the, that's the driver side, so it's going to be on the passenger side. You open this. Number 2, it says from the inside right side of the box, push the plastic ratchet of the top stop wire. So shows the image right there, and this is what they're talking about right here. So we're gonna unhook this cable right here. I don't know if they can see this. We're gonna unhook this cable from that clip right there. So the good thing about this cable is elastic, so you can pull it to release the tension. And the cable is out, as you can see. So the next step, it says push inward both sides of the glove box to disengage the stopper. So the stoppers are right here. Let me see whether you can see. So the stoppers are right there. So it says we push them together. Let me do it again. So we're pushing down from both sides, right here and right here, to disengage the stoppers right there. So you push it down together, and then it's gonna drop down just like that. Now we go to the next steps. The next step says allow the glove box to swing down and disengage the hinges. So it's already down. The next one, it says remove the filter housing cover by unclipping the 2 latches at the bottom edges. All right, let me show where that filter is inside there. So this right here, this is the filter housing, and from there is one clip right there that you push outwards towards you, right there, and the other one is right there. You pull it, and there we go. Remove the cover. Then we move to the next step, of course, is remove the filter. And as you can see, it's already some debris and leaves over there on the filter. Before you remove the filter, make sure you note the arrow is facing downwards. That way when we put in a new filter, the arrow is gonna still be facing downwards. And here comes the old filter. This is a filter that cleans the air you breathe inside your car. So when it's dirty like this, it's not doing the work, and therefore you're breathing all this dirt. It's not safe. So, and it's, as you can see, it's easy to remove. So let's go ahead and replace this dirty filter. So here is a new filter. Again, the arrow direction, like I told you, it was facing down, so we put it just like that. Let me see what is the instruction saying. Insert the new filter into the housing while the airflow arrow is pointing down. I don't know whether you can see that. That is number 7. And the number 8, clip the cover back in place, and all those things. Just a reverse of what we just did. So let's go ahead and install the new filter. So all I did is just line it up. I needed both hands since one hand is holding the camera, and slide it down there just like that, and now it's in place. Then come in with the cover. Make sure you clip in place, fully secured. And now we're gonna go ahead and install back the glove box. So don't forget the don't forget the string. Where is it? All right, there. Pull it out like that, and then you bring the glove box. Like I said, the advantage of that cable is elastic. That way it can stretch to come in and get it where you want it. And there we go, it's already in place. As you can see, it's super easy. And that's how, guys, that's how you change the cabin air filter on a Mazda 6. It's similar to even the Toyotas. All the vehicles are gonna have the air filter on the glove box. That's how you do it. So thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned. This is Jeff Carbuoy, and don't forget to subscribe.